If you're new to fitness and looking for easy, effective exercises to reduce that chest fat right from your chair, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Feeling frustrated with stubborn chest fat? You're not alone. Did you know that over 40% of men in the USA struggle with excess chest fat? It's not just about appearance. It can impact your confidence and overall health. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your chest, but don't know where to start? Many men feel overwhelmed by complex gym routines and expensive equipment. But what if I told you that you can make real progress with just a chair and a few simple exercises? Think you need a gym membership to tackle chest fat? Think again. Recent studies show that over 60% of men in the USA are dissatisfied with their fitness progress despite having access to a gym. Let's change that with these effective chair exercises. All right, let's get into the beginner chair exercises that can help you reduce chest fat and build muscle right at home. Seated alternate dynamic chest stretches. Sit on a chair in an upright position. Raise your arms in front of your chest with palms facing toward each other. Move your left arm out to the side and back, turning your upper body to follow the arm with your gaze. Open your chest, then bring the arm back to the center. Repeat with the right arm, opening it back and looking after it, then returning to the starting position. Seated elbow chest flies. Sit on the chair and bring your hands behind your head, bending your elbows. Maintain an upright posture with your feet flat on the floor. Bring your elbows forward in front of your face, squeezing your chest muscles. Then open them to the side and push back, squeezing your shoulder blades. Repeat this movement. This exercise targets the chest and upper back muscles, helping to strengthen and stretch them. Keep your elbows high and fingertips touching your head, focusing on squeezing your muscles when bringing your elbows together. Seated external rotation. Sit tall in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Tuck your elbows in at your sides and bend them at a 90-degree angle, with your fingers pointing forward. This is your starting position. Rotate your forearms to the sides, keeping your upper arms close to your body, and open your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades. Rotate until you can no longer maintain contact with your sides, then return to the starting position and repeat. This exercise strengthens the muscles around your shoulder blades and shoulders, stretches your chest muscles, and improves posture. Seated chest press. Sit on a chair and raise your arms in front of your chest with palms facing down. Make a fist with both hands. This is your starting position. Bend your elbows and pull them back, bringing your fists behind your back while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Imagine you're pulling something towards you. Then extend your arms forward and squeeze your chest muscles. Repeat the movement. This exercise engages the upper back and arm muscles, enhancing strength and posture. Seated arm crossovers. Sit upright on a chair with your arms raised in front of your chest, palms facing down. Engage your core muscles. Swing both arms to the side, pushing them behind your back, then bring them back to the center and cross them over each other, squeezing your chest muscles. This movement targets your chest, shoulders, and core. You can perform it slightly faster to increase the challenge. Ensure you breathe evenly throughout the exercise, keep your core engaged, and avoid moving your torso left and right.